How to create or open Best Buy account. Hello everyone and let's get started. Best Buy is an American retail company from which you can buy different type of products ranging from electrical products to many other physical as well as the online products. So in order to open the account, go to any of your browser and search for bestbuy.com. Now you can choose your country, either it is Canada or United States. International customers can also shop on the bestbuy.com and have orders shipped to any US address or US store. After you have chose the country, you can now create the account by clicking on the profile icon. You can find the profile on the top right corner right next to the card. Once you tap open it, it will redirect you to another page. Hereby, you can see options such as email and password to sign in. Scroll down a bit and you have the option or link called as create an account. It is quite simple to create an account. You just have to provide your first name, last name, email and the password. And just by that, you can click on the create account button. That's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.